Drift Chat App. The pros, the cons. Drift Chat App is more than just a live chat tool. Most people get this wrong. It's designed for sales and marketing teams to connect with website visitors in real time and drive lead generation efficiently. On the pro side, Drift offers live chat, AI-powered chatbots, and meeting scheduling directly from the chat interface. It integrates with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot to keep customer information up to date. Automation allows qualifying leads instantly, and analytics provide insights on conversion, engagement, and performance. Mobile app ensures your team can respond promptly, even when away from the desk. On the con side, Drift can be pricey for small businesses, and the initial setup may require learning to optimize bots and workflows. Some users note that heavy customization needs technical knowledge. In conclusion, Drift Chat App is perfect for businesses looking to boost lead generation and improve real-time customer engagement. While cost and setup can be considerations, its automation, CRM integrations, and AI-powered features make it a strong solution for modern sales and marketing teams.